Hello, and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Libra. I'm Jamie Kale Miller, and with me is...
Hey guys, I'm Julia Mijas, and I want to talk to you, Libra, about some things going on in your relationships and in your money this month. So, your ruling planet, Venus, the planet of relationships, is moving really, really fast this month. She starts in the beginning of the month in your first house. So, beginning of the month, fabulous time for your personal charisma, for your looks, even because you're embodying Venus very strongly at the beginning of the month. So, great time to kind of make a good first impression on people, even using your charm and your appearance. Good time for dating. But she's going to quickly move into your second house of money mid-month, and then by the end of the month she's moving into your third house. So going back to relationships, in your seventh house this month, Chiron, the asteroid of wounded healing, is going to go direct at the end of the month in December 26th. So Chiron has spent a lot of time in this house, meaning that you have some past wounds around relationships that you've been healing over these past few years. And it's important when Chiron goes direct that you're going to feel like you're finally making a little bit of forward progress on working on this wounding. Maybe you're doing this while single, or maybe you're doing it with your partner. Now, when it comes to money, having Venus in your second house around mid-month is going to give you a big boost. That might mean that maybe you get some good presents this holiday season, whether it's at Hanukkah or Christmas. Venus in the second house is also really good if you're getting an end of the year raise, maybe a little bonus too. And then we also have Jupiter, the other lucky planet, in your eighth house going direct at the end of the month. So Jupiter has been transiting your eighth house for a number of months now, meaning that you are getting a bit of growth in your finance, especially through other people's money. So it's a great time for taking out a loan or remortgaging your house. It's also a great time to get a joint credit card with your partner, or maybe get a little extra money luck from your family. So some really good growth coming in finances, especially this month for you. I know Jamie's got some things to say about career for you too this month, Libra.
Well, I want to say that Jupiter is going to be super helpful towards the end of the month for you in career, Libra, because there's going to be a beautiful full moon, which has tons of harmony in it around December 26th, right around Christmas, in that last week of the month, a full moon in Cancer landing right there in your 10th house. So that's going to really light up your career zone and bring so much warmth and nurture to your career, which you kind of like to do anyway. You're kind of like a mama bear on the job, and you like to nurture people upward in your career. So this just really supports that. It's a form of leadership, really. I mean, momming is a form of leadership, that's for sure. So that means that the sun is opposite that moon down in your fourth house, which is home and family, and you are going to have to juggle career versus home during that moon. But there is so much help coming from Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter is traveling your eighth house, as Julia said, and this year really giving you opportunities to release some debt, and or to grow. It's going to sound funny, grow your debt, if that makes sense. You can take on good debt that benefits you, maybe because it's a good interest rate, maybe because you'll be able to pay it down easily, maybe because it helps you to live within your means. But for whatever reason, this year Jupiter is improving your debt situation, and under this moon in particular, with the wonderful emphasis on nurturing in your career and nurturing your career full stop, and how that relates to Saturn traveling along through your sixth house, making you more, want to bring more discipline to the job. This is definitely a month for you to promise and then deliver in your career.
Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
You can find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with us, and you can also find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos. Bye-bye.
Bye.